Welcome to the Owens Community College Ozone account tutorial. Ozone is your online student portal for Owens information and resources. To get to Ozone, please visit www.owens.edu. The link to Ozone is at the top of the page. Once you click on this link, you will be directed to the login using your username and password. Your username is your first name _ last name. You may have a number at the end of your username. When logging in for the first time, your password is 2-digit birth date, 2-digit birth year, and the 4th and 5th digits of your social security number. If you do not remember your username or your password, you may contact the IT help desk at 567-661-7120 or by email at helpdesk@owens.edu. Once you log into your Ozone account, you will see tabs at the top of your screen. Some tabs will only be displayed if you are part of a special student population. First, let's take a look at the My Ozone tab. Here you will find a number of resources such as Blackboard, your student OMail, and Campus Directory. Blackboard is a resource you will use for any online courses as well as some land-based courses. It is strongly encouraged you select Blackboard and complete the self-enroll in the web preparation course. This will enable you to be able to navigate your courses successfully. Inside your Blackboard account, you will see the web prep course on the left-hand side and your courses on the right-hand side under the My Courses section. It is encouraged to click around Blackboard to become comfortable prior to the start of classes. Your student OMail is listed next to Blackboard. You will want to check your OMail daily. Please be mindful that you must use your OMail when communicating with anyone from Owens. Email messages sent from a personal email account may not be answered due to privacy and security concerns. Also, when emailing from your OMail, please make sure you include your Owens ID number. The employee email icon will only show up if you are a student employee. The intranet icon will only show up if you are an employee of the college. The Campus Directory will help you find contact information for faculty and staff. On the right-hand side of the My Ozone tab, you will be able to reveal your Owens ID or OSID number. You will want to include this number in every email you send. A recommendation would be to place this in your email signature. This number will be yours the entire time you are at the college. In the Academic Profile section, you'll be able to find your OSERV Advocate contact information as well as a semester course information. Locate your academic advisor under the Academic Advising section. Here you will also find relevant information for advising. It is strongly recommended that you meet with your academic advisor on the phone or in person at least once a semester. Under the Academic Advising section, you will find My Career Center. This section has great resources to check out if you are doing career exploration, looking for jobs, or building a resume or cover letter. On the right-hand side, you will see My Personal Information section. This section is where you will be able to update your contact information, emergency contacts, and sign up for Owens alerts. These are important to keep up to date so you can receive communications from the college personnel. You will also be able to set up your proxy access and any legal name changes as well as fill out surveys for feedback to the college. Other items you will find on this tab are announcements, password information, personal information, new student orientation, and Owens Media. You will only be able to change your password during certain times of the year. Contact your advisor for assistance. Next, let's take a look at the Academic Info tab, which contains academic information such as your grades and class schedule. This is also the tab where you will add and drop classes. The first section listed is the registration and class schedule. The Add Drop Classes link is where you will be able to register for your classes. Please reference the How to Register for Classes video in the advising website if you have questions. You can also contact your academic advisor for assistance. Once you register, you will be able to view your class schedule under the My Class Schedule section. Under the Academic Forms section, you will see the Education Planning section. The degree evaluation is an important resource that allows you to be able to run a degree audit. This will show you all of the required courses for your major. It will also show the courses you have already completed and the courses you are currently registered for. Also, within this section, you will see the location where you will need to submit graduation or certificate applications when you are eligible to apply. On the right-hand side, you will be able to see your student grades section. You can filter through each semester to be able to see what your grades are for all of your courses. The My Student Records section allows you to view and request transcripts, change your program of study, and view admissions and tuition information. You will also find the Selective Health section. This will be important to students who are in health majors. The Financial Info tab is where you will find information regarding your bill and student account. Under Student Accounts Balance for a current or future semester, you will find your balance for semesters you are registered for. You can select another term to change semesters. Please keep in mind the college does not send out paper statements or email your bill. In this section, you will be able to make a payment and set up a deferred payment plan. If you are setting up a deferred payment plan, you will click the Set Up Deferred Payment Plan button and set up your account. Once your payment plan is set up, you will then go back to the Student Accounts Balance section and click Pay Online to make your monthly payment. If you are not setting up a deferred payment plan and you are paying your balance in full or paying off the remainder of your balance not covered by financial aid, you will click the Make a Payment option. In the section below, you will find the Account Information section. Here you will find important links to refund dates, account summary by term, another link to pay, deferred payment plan request form, and your 1098-T tax form. In the next section titled Enrollment Costs, you will find helpful links to resources for calculating your semester costs. These are great resources for helping to plan your semester financially. In the top right-hand corner of the Financial Info tab is a very important section regarding financial aid. This is your financial aid summary. If you are receiving financial aid, which includes scholarships, grants, and student loans, you will want to check here often to see your awards and to check the status of your financial aid requirements. Be sure you are in the correct aid year when checking for your award and/or requirements. If you see a red exclamation point, this is an alert informing you of action that needs to be completed on your part. If you have questions regarding any of these alerts, reach out to your OSERV advocate and you will find a link to do so in this section. A link to your OSERV advocate's email can be found on your main Ozone page under Academic Profile. The IT Resources tab contains links to our IT Help Desk and other technology-related resources. IT Help Desk can also assist with password reset. Finally, the Additional Resources tab is where you will see more links to the various support services offered by the college. You will want to check this out to find information on resources you may otherwise think you did not have access to. Information in here includes topics from various student support services. It is encouraged to click and review each, as you will come across a number of these services during your time at Owens. If you are interested in student life, there is important information regarding various clubs and organizations, athletics, fitness center, dining, and the bookstore. And lastly, on the right-hand side, you will note parking and transportation, Department of Public Safety, and e-Blade resources. We hope you found this tutorial useful. Please contact advising at 567-661-2387 or email advisor@owens.edu with any questions that you may have.